it's your girl Chic, aka LAL. Welcome to my channel. I'm showing y'all my locks are in cornrows. Yes, so I'm showing y'all the back. I'm gonna take this little scrunchie off, and this is what it's looking like. They're not super neat. I didn't look in no mirror or nothing. I just braided them. I cornrowed them while I was sitting in my bed the night before, and I have 5. Okay, and so these right here are bobby pins, and that's what I'm going to be using to go ahead and secure these down. I'm going to pull them up so that I can get them as flat as possible. So this is another method that I'm trying as far as applying a wig over my locks. Yeah, as y'all can see, I'm just pulling them upward in whatever way that they will lay the flattest, and just using the bobby pins to hold the cornrows down flat to my head, and pulling them upwards helps there not be a big hump in the back, if you know what I mean. Alright, so I'm just continuing to pin these up, and then I'm gonna be right back with y'all.
It's like you're changed and every time to hear.
So we got our lock cornrows pinned up. I'm just showing y'all what it looks like. Not too bad in the back, huh? So I'm gonna take this black wig cap and apply that, and I'm going to be actually applying 2 black wig caps because it just will help it lay flatter, and that's what we want. We want it nice and flat as possible. You don't want no like super big humps, so that way the foundation looks right and you don't have no big lumpy wig application, you know? It is time to go ahead and unbox this squirrel right here. This is how she comes packaged, and as I told y'all, I did order her from Amazon. She is a synthetic lace front wig, and she's pretty long. She's body wave, and she has the little skunk stripe, which I love. We're gonna throw that over there just like that. But this is what she looks like straight out of the box. She did have a net as well, but she is standard cap construction. She has a middle part. She does have adjustable straps and 1 comb in the back, as well as 2 combs in the front. All right, yeah, so that's how well she will be secured. We're gonna go ahead and pop her on. Y'all know my Bobo's Remy is my favorite leave-in conditioner, especially for my synthetic units. Yeah, so that just helps with detangling and making it easier to like brush through the wig, and also gives it a nice natural looking sheen that it just really conditions the hair so that it's not so unruly and cray, because sometimes these synthetic wigs can have us looking a little ratchet, and she is very much yaki textured, but I'm just kind of back brushing her over my hand to give her that flipped look, you know? I love that. A good wig conditioning spray can make a synthetic wig look very much human-like, you know? I'm using an off-brand Denman-like brush, y'all, to detangle her, and I promise y'all, she sound crispy and like super nappy, but she is not that bad. You know, those brushes do be making it sound like, you know, you just really going in, like you trying to yank all the little hairs about the wig. I am really loving her curls. So that's all you got to do, y'all, to kind of style her. And this skunk stripe is popping. I love this blonde. It's really super cute. And as far as the cap, is about medium size, which is, this was fine. It didn't feel like bad at all over my locks. It didn't give me a headache or feel super tight, but that's why I say it's important to lay your hair down flat. The center part is kind of cute. And I did not apply makeup to the part on camera, but you know, y'all will see the rest of the styling. But she's pretty straightforward. As you can see, she's really simple to style, only takes a few minutes. Most of the time is spent detangling. You know, like I said, she is a synthetic wig, but she is yaki textured, so She is like straightened African American hair. Now your girl is about to trim a few of these hairs in the front so we could do us some swoops. We're going to just do 2 swoops, and we're going in with our Got To Be Glue styling gel. The black one, of course. It is clear, but you don't want to apply too much. And you know, I got my makeup on, so I try to be like super careful when I apply this. But I'm just using a edge brush with a comb. And yeah, it's double-ended. There's a comb on one end and a brush on the other end, but we just swoop just like that. I love me some swoops. Nothing too much, but it just adds that special touch. You heard me?
I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of.
Alright, we got sis looking a little bit more manicured, I think. What y'all think? Would y'all rock this wig? Do y'all like longer wigs, or do y'all prefer the short gwirls? This is what sis looks like on the mannequin. These are the pics that are on Amazon, and she was $47, right around $47 and some change when I purchased mine. But remember, prices are subject to change. Let me go ahead and show y'all the back. So this is what she's looking like in the back. Like I said, she's pretty long, but I love her curls, super cute. I surprisingly did not experience any shedding, considering her yaki-like texture. That was surprising. But that's a good thing, right? We are all done styling this chick. I hope that y'all will subscribe, please. Make it official and join the LEL fam because it's free and I need you in my life. Later, loves.